You've never seen the kiwi like this before. In the shadows of New Zealand's forests lives a bird unlike any other. The kiwi cannot fly, yet its senses are sharper than most mammals. Its fur-like feathers make it look almost like a small mammal. It lays one of the largest eggs in proportion to body size in the entire animal kingdom. With its long beak and powerful sense of smell, it searches underground for worms and insects. Kiwi pairs often stay together for life, forming strong monogamous bonds. Predators introduced by humans have pushed this unique bird to the brink of extinction. New Zealand protects kiwis through sanctuaries and predator-free reserves. Despite the challenges, the kiwi continues to survive in the shadows of the night, a small bird with a giant story. New Zealand's remarkable nighttime survivor. Don't forget to follow Evrona documentary to discover nature's hidden stories.